recently capped brood. Very yellow Italian looking bees here. I know this is recently capped brood because of all this open larva and then eggs on the outside here. With not much emerging in the middle, there's some open heater cells, but those aren't loaded with larvae or eggs. Same on this side. This is an emerging frame of brood. I know this because all the cells out to the outside, except for one or two, there's one or two with a larva that's getting ready to be capped, and then I can see these cells perforated, which is indicative of a bee hatching out. Look right here. Can you see that bee? That bee is hatching out right there in that cell. So this is a frame of emerging brood. If I needed to boost a colony, this is the one I would pick. These two bees here, this one and this one, they're really fuzzy looking, almost wet, like a puppy. Those hatched literally a moment ago. This one here hatched a moment ago. All these bees are loyal to no queen yet. This would be a frame to give as a boost to a colony. The other side, same way. Brood capped all the way to the outside. This is a emerging brood frame. Queen cup at the ready, benign, nothing in there. It's not wet, no egg, nothing.